Welcome. Today we're tackling a common Tesla owner issue, streaks on the interior windshield. This isn't just cosmetic. Tesla's windshield houses critical sensors for autopilot and other ADAS features. Streaks and residue can interfere with these systems, potentially impacting performance and safety. In this video, we'll guide you through a safe, effective method for achieving a crystal clear, streak-free finish, ensuring optimal visibility and sensor accuracy. Tesla windshields in models like the Model 3, S, X, and Y feature unique coatings designed to enhance durability and clarity. These advanced windshields also integrate sensitive sensors that power features like autopilot and full self-driving. Using ammonia-based cleaners, such as Windex, can damage these specialized coatings and create stubborn streaks. Residue buildup from improper cleaning can obstruct the cameras, potentially interfering with autopilot and full self-driving systems. Employing the wrong products or techniques can void your warranty or necessitate costly sensor recalibration, leading to additional time and expenses. To achieve a streak-free clean, you'll need the right tools. First, invest in high-quality electrostatic microfiber cloths designed for glass. These attract dust and residue without scratching. Second, choose a pH-neutral glass cleaner specifically formulated for automotive use, such as Tesla Glass Cleaner or Invisible Glass by Chemical Guys. Avoid anything with ammonia. Third, consider a small silicone edge squeegee for even cleaner removal. Lastly, set up a two-bucket system to prevent redepositing dirt on the glass. Start by lightly dampening one microfiber cloth with your pH-neutral cleaner. Apply the cleaner to the interior windshield using a horizontal S pattern. Next, use your squeegee to evenly remove the cleaner, overlapping each pass slightly. Dry the edges with a clean microfiber cloth to prevent drips. Finally, buff the entire windshield with a dry microfiber cloth to eliminate any remaining streaks or residue. Remember to clean around sensors gently. Master the two-bucket method for superior cleaning results on your Tesla windshield. This technique prevents dirt redeposition and ensures a flawless finish. Set up two buckets, one filled with your pH-neutral cleaning solution and another with clean rinse water. First, dip your microfiber cloth into the cleaning solution bucket. Wring out the excess solution to avoid drips. Clean a section of the windshield using smooth, circular motions. Rinse the cloth thoroughly in the clean water bucket before redipping. Repeat this process, working in sections across the entire windshield. This infographic illustrates the complete two-bucket washing process, including working on wheels and final tips. For even better results, add grit guards to the bottom of each bucket. These mesh inserts catch dirt particles, preventing them from recontaminating your cloth. The two-bucket method offers significant advantages. It prevents redepositing dirt onto the glass, minimizes streaks, and maximizes your cleaning effectiveness for that perfect Tesla windshield clarity. Combine this two-bucket method with quality microfiber cloths and cleaning tools for the ultimate streak-free Tesla windshield cleaning experience. Exercise extreme caution when cleaning around the ADAS sensors located near the rearview mirror. Avoid spraying cleaner directly onto the sensors. Instead, lightly dampen a microfiber cloth and gently wipe the area. Excessive moisture can damage the sensors and necessitate recalibration. If you've performed a deep clean, Tesla recommends recalibrating your sensors via the vehicle app to ensure optimal functionality. Still seeing streaks after cleaning? Let's address the most common issues and their solutions to achieve that perfect streak-free finish on your Tesla windshield. The most frequent causes of streaks include using excessive cleaner, incomplete drying, dirty microfiber cloths, and stubborn residue buildup. One common mistake is using too much cleaner. Excess cleaner creates pools that dry unevenly. The solution is apply minimal cleaner in thin layers. One common mistake is not drying thoroughly. Water spots and streaks form from incomplete drying. The solution is buff with clean, dry microfiber until completely dry. One common mistake is using dirty cloths. Dirt and oils transfer back to glass surface. The solution is wash microfiber cloths regularly to remove buildup. One common mistake is stubborn residue. Hard to remove spots from old cleaner or contaminants. The solution is use dedicated glass polish for heavy residue. For best results, work in shade to prevent rapid evaporation, use circular buffing motions, and always inspect the glass from different angles to ensure complete streak removal. To maintain a streak-free windshield on your Tesla, make it a habit to wipe the interior surface regularly with a dry microfiber cloth. This simple step removes dust particles and fingerprints before they can accumulate and become harder to clean. The electrostatic properties of microfiber attract and lift debris effectively without scratching the glass. Consider applying a hydrophobic glass sealant, which creates a protective layer that repels water and reduces the likelihood of future residue buildup. This nanotechnology-based treatment makes the glass easier to clean and helps maintain clarity, especially in humid conditions where condensation might form. Opt for eco-friendly, reusable microfiber products as part of a sustainable cleaning routine. These products reduce waste compared to disposable cloths and are effective for streak-free results. By choosing pH-neutral, biodegradable cleaners when needed, you minimize environmental impact while keeping your windshield pristine. By incorporating these maintenance practices and using the right products, you'll ensure optimal visibility for your Tesla's advanced driver assistance systems and enjoy a clear, safe driving experience for many years to come. Regular care extends the life of your windshield and prevents costly repairs.